Hey guys, what's up? AK Gaming here and today we are playing Roblox Fish again. ये मैं वॉइस ओवर कर रहा हूँ यहाँ बाय द वे वॉइस ओवर। तो इस वाले वीडियो में हम लोग ले रहा है एक नया रॉड और दो तीन चीज़ें। ये रैंडम है, इसमें जो हो रहा है उसका कुछ इन्वॉल्वमेंट कुछ चीज़ से नहीं है। कभी मेगालोडॉन कर रहे हैं, नया एक रॉड लिए जो है द रॉड चोजन रॉड या क्या डेस्टिनीज रॉड जो मैंने लिया है। तो उसका रिकॉर्डिंग है, अगर मैं दिखाऊं मैं जाता हूँ उसकी ओर। मैं काम करता हूँ कट करता हूँ जब मैं उधर पहुँचता हूँ। गाइस आई विल सी यू देन। सो या गाइस इसके बाद आप लोग को मूसूल के पास जाना है। लोकेशन बता रहा, आप लोग को 70% बीस्टियरी कंप्लीट करनी पड़ेगी इसके लिए। सो आप लोग को क्या करना है, जाना है मूसूल से लेफ्ट नॉर्थ ईस्ट के डायरेक्शन में मूसूल से। तो अगर आप सीधे जाएंगे आप लोग एक बड़ा सा आर्क दिखेगा। ये रहा ये आर्क, एज यू कैन सी। इधर पहुंचने के बाद मेरे को ट्रेजर चेस्ट मिला और इस बंदे से बात करना है। तो इससे मेरे को आई थिंक ट्रफल वर्म्स मिले थे, हाँ ट्रफल वर्म्स। सो इसके बाद ये तो बस वही ट्रेजर मिला था। आप लोग को इस बंदे से बात करना है, बात कर ओके। सो पहले आपको ये कुछ पूछेगा, क्या ना टेक अ लुक एट योर बेस्टियरी। श्योर देख लीजिए। सो कुछ बोलेगा, फिर व्हाट इज इट आप बोलिए ओके। फिर ये आप लोग को द रॉड ऑफ डेस्टिनी ऑफर करेगा। सो अगर आप बोले डील तो आप लोग को मिल जाएगा। और फिर आप पूछ सकते हैं रॉड क्या है। सो मैंने ले लिया है, क्या कर रहा हूँ। और एज यू कैन सी मैं दिखा रहा हूँ मैं बेस्टियरी 70% कंप्लीट है, डील कर लिया है। एंड ही हैंड्स यू द डेस्टिनी रॉड जिसका पैसिव है देयर इज अ 5% चांस दैट यू कैन कैच स्पार्कलिंग और शाइनी फिश। ये रॉड ओवरऑल शाइनी फिश के लिए है, शाइनी हंटिंग जैसा। सो इसका लियर टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा है वो सब। इस पर मैं हेस्टी रिकमेंड करूँगा पर्सनली, बट बार भी छोटा है तो डीप सी कॉरल प्लस हेस्टी आई थिंक दैट इज़ गुड। सो या डीप सी कॉरल प्लस हेस्टी शुड बी गुड विद दिस रॉड गाइस। अब मैं कट करता हूँ जब कुछ और इंटरेस्टिंग होता है, क्योंकि ये कम्प्लीटली रैंडम वीडियो है। हाँ तो अब मैं कट करता हूँ जब कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होता है। तो इसके बाद मैं जाता हूँ वो दोनों रॉड्स को इंचेंट करने। सो इसके बाद मैं उनको अगेन दिस इज़ कम्प्लीटली रैंडम। इसमें जो हुआ है वो मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं था, जो हुआ है उसका रिकॉर्डिंग है। आई जस्ट वांटेड टू चिल, एक ऐसा वीडियो निकालूँ जिसमें कुछ गोल के लिए और मेरे को ग्राइंड ना करना पड़े। और हाँ शाइनी मेगालोडॉन है मेरे पास, मैं दिखा रहा था रेगुलर मेगालोडॉन। सो मैं नीचे जाता हूँ अल्टर पे, इंचेंटिंग अल्टर और कीपर्स अल्टर, जिसके लिए आप लोग को 400 क्रेडिट्स टिकट के लिए पे करने पड़ते हैं। सो आप लोग फिर ये उठा के नीचे जा सकते हो। तो फिर इसके बाद जैसे आप लोग नीचे जाएंगे, तो मैंने पर्सनली ज़्यादा रेलिक्स नहीं यूज़ किए। और हाँ बाय द वे मैंने एक एक्स्ट्रा एक्सॉल्टेड रेलिक पुल अप किया था, हेवेंस रॉड के साथ था शायद से, बट या। और ये रॉड ऑफ डेस्टिनीज रॉड विथ हेस्टी एंड रैपिड कैचर्स नहीं, आई वुड रिकमेंड रेगुलर कॉरल, क्योंकि वो इंस्टेंट कैच हो जाएगा फिर शायद से। क्योंकि ये है वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इफ नॉट द बेस्ट रॉड्स टू कैच सीक्रेट फिश। लक्की भाई, लक इस पे ऑलरेडी इतना ज़्यादा लक है, अब लक का क्या करूँ। और हाँ मैं मेरा मिथिकल रॉड भी इंचेंट करने का सोच रहा था, बट मैंने नहीं किया इस वाले में। मैं डायरेक्ट 5 वॉक रॉड को कर लिया था क्योंकि उस पर भी इंचेंटमेंट चाहिए। और बाय द वे इस मेरा अभी का गोल है अटलांटिस से पहले सभी एल्जिस का एक एक्स्ट्रा उठाना पहला, क्योंकि वो एक्सक्लूसिव है। गोल्डन टाइडपूल से अगर हो पाएगा एक हेवनली वेल को लेना, इटर्नल फ्रॉस्ट वेल और पैसा जो मैंने लिया हुआ है। एनीवेज बट इस वीडियो में कुछ होता है जो रेयर है। रेयर का मतलब मेगालोडॉन से रेयर, अरोरा से रेयर, और सैंडल मेगालोडॉन नहीं, और ना ही स्पॉन्ड इन अरोरा टोटम के साथ, उनसे रेयर क्या हो सकता है? आप लोग कमेंट्स में आंसर कीजिएगा। इससे पहले कर पाए हैं तो मैं एंड में वीडियो के इससे पहले किए हैं ना आप लोग, तो कूल भाई आंसर कीजिए अभी कमेंट्स में कि क्या है आंसर। मैं अब वो आप लोग को लेटर ऑन वीडियो में दिखने वाला है। तो मैंने इस पे स्टडी रखा है रॉड ऑफ हेवेंस पे, सॉरी रॉड ऑफ हेवेंस नहीं, मैं बेवकूफ़ हूँ, डेस्टिनी रॉड, और इस पे मेरे को मिल गया रिजिलियंट, जो आई डोंट थिंक मेरे को अच्छा लगा है। ओ मेरे को अच्छा लग गया है, ठीक है। एक और इंचेंटलिक मारता हूँ मैं 2-3 मिनट में। गाइज मैं अब बस ये इंचेंटमेंट दिखा के कट करता हूँ जब कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होता है, क्योंकि अगेन दिस इज रैंडम फुटेज बीइंग पाइल्ड अप इन अ रैंडम वीडियो। ओ व्हाट द, वन सेकेंड ये इंचेंटमेंट जल्दी दिखा। हिस्ट्री, यस लेट्स गो। मेरे को जो चाहिए था वो मिल चुका है। बाय गाइस, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होता है तो मैं कट करता हूँ उधर। ओके सी यू देन। Well, I found Megalodon. As you can see, it's popping up. Boom. Oh my god, what? How are you putting get out of the water, join? It's a Meg. I've gotten quite a good amount, and I got a heavenly one, as I will show you right now. Open it. Search MEG. Meg. Boom. The Meg I caught, another extra Meg, a heavenly Meg. A shiny Meg, a big shiny ancient Meg, and this thingy and that thingy. So guys, now I will cut to when something happens. Secret! Oh my! Hello! Hi, you're the rarest fish. Hi. Insects equipped. That's cool. Oh my! What the? Holy heart attack! Heart attack! Oh my god! What's happened? Let me mute my audio. Scared the fuck out of me. Holy shit, the fuck out of me. 1 second, let me mute the audio. I nearly died from. Holy shit. They can mute that. So I'm just chilling here with Aurora and Merlin, you know. Yeah, and yeah. That's what you need apparently for a secret. I'm trying to catch the mustard, but this guy popped up. I still love him. He's a long boy. Funny, I know, but for now, I think that was so absurd, dude. Scared the living out of me. Scared the living ever out of me. It's an exotical sound with like a grey pop-up. Like a grey pop-up exotic. And it has no like the minus, it has no minus. So it's easy to catch. Holy, that gave me a whole heart attack. Holy. I wasn't able to record how I caught it because again this I did not plan for that to happen, at least yet. Holy, what was that? I'm gonna continue fishing here. I will meet you if I hook something else, because that gave me a whole heart attack. Holy hell. And proof, it showed no new catch. Holy hell, what the no catch. Oh my god, we got a secret. And this has been happening. I got Merlin's Luck, Heaven's Rod, Aurora. I didn't pop it, but might as well profit off of other people at this point. Holy hell. Oh my, I was watching Shark Tank and this heart attack, holy hell. I know, odd thing, but whatever. And I got a big colossal squid too. Oh my god, what the hell? My first ever secret, and it's a long pike, which is pretty cool. It's like the lowest one on coolness factor, but it's a secret as far as I checked. Yeah, last time it's a secret. Holy hell. So I will meet you when I hook something else. Oh yeah. So meet you then. I am happy into the moon still. Look at my long pike. I just typed it into the chat. I have a long pike, boys. Which is cool as hell, brother. I love my longy pipe. Look at my longy pipe. There's my longy pipe. Again, I have the proof. New catch popped up. I was not able to record it because the heart attack that I got. Yeah, I would have said hey Moogle instead of Google probably. But let's search. Capital L O N L O N. No. Oh wait, maybe you have to search in ocean. Oh yes, yes. Long pike. What? The? Yeah. Ignore that. Ignore that. Give me a longer pike. Yeah. It's long, brother. Let's get it biggified with the Chinese. I want to use the rest of this. And what the hell was I doing? My purpose was not to do this. I was trying to get all the algae before the event ended, as there is like. Let me actually go to Grand Reef, brother. I wanted extras of each of them as they are exclusives. Anyways, I'm happy, but a sunken treasure has spawned. Quick, with Merlin's luck. If we get the jet ski, I'm officially a billionaire. I'm a billionaire, baby. I'm a billionaire if I get that. Okay guys, it's nearby here. So I'm gonna. Okay, so guys, अब मैं आप लोगों को, क्योंकि ये ट्रेजर चेस्ट में कुछ मिला तो नहीं है, इसीलिए अब मैं आप लोगों को जब कुछ इवेंटफुल होगा तब मिलता हूँ. बाय. Wow, where the hell was I trying to go? Let's just fish here. Meanwhile, I talk about the odds. Let me cut the whole audio out because I think you're gonna go deaf. Don't miss it. Come on, guys. 1 second. Let me just 1 second. Guys, the background noise for some reason rare things happen at goddamn night. I don't know what the fish gods think is a good time to give me those stuff at midnight, but whatever. But okay. How many, like, at this point I think I should just chill. Holy hell, bro. First our secret, boys. Long pipe. It is a reference. It should make the sound, the pipe falling sound. I'll put it in the video if I can find it. I'll put it in the video. No, that does not sound like a pipe. I don't have any steel object that is in a shape of a cylinder, is long and is hollow. as it echoes, the sound echoes inside, and that's why it sounds like that. So anyways, still it should make that noise when it's shining. It should become completely gray and silvery, and it should, when you click, ting 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 ting. Although it would annoy the ever living dash 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 out of people. I have sea pickles too. Look at them. Okay, let me check how many colossal squids. Any new heavenlies? No. Let's go see. Yes, no. Yeah, 3 extras. And a big one. Big boy. Look at him. 3 extras. Okay, cool. 15k about profit from that. Mythical fish. MY, holy hell. Around 2000, so 6000 plus around 7k, so on its own. So yeah, no, around 7k, so plus that plus another, I don't know. Imagine a meg spawns. I caught in so many. Let me show. I got in 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, one is a shiny. I got a heavenly one, by the way. Look at him. A mutation surge was going on along with Megalodon plus my heavens, so I got that. I got a regular shiny one, 2 regular megs. I do not know what the hell I do with these. Okay, so yeah guys, we got the new secret fish, and yeah, we have 2 megs. I was going to give them away, but thought that would be a bit hard, and yeah, so we are not giving them away yet. I will give one away eventually, but not right now. So yeah, anyways, that is what I was saying. And well, we will meet you when I get a shiny long pipe. See you then. As you know, the long pipe, I will call him Pipe Boy. So yeah, Pipe Boy here. Anyways, so this is a 0.0125% fish. If I yes, go, please keep the night. I want a sparkling one. I want a sparkling long pike. Nobody can stop me. Yes, he's kept it. No way, Jose. Please keep it. Yeah, it's gone. Look at my fish, boys. Give me a longer bite. Pike. Nee. Flexing, anyways. So this is a cool fish. Long. How long? Let me check my rod. One second. Calculations go according to this rule. Calculations go into the trash. There's a goddamn meg. What is going on? No shot. Okay, imagine we catch a meg. Imagine, just imagine. Where's the bait? Go. Where's Ancient Teasel? Go. Go, why is my boat not turning? Oh my god, my throat is in the gutter. What's going on? Guys, I'll cut. I don't know what happened. My ship sank here, but I decided to become officially built different. I immediately tried to pull up my advanced diving gear, which I nearly fumbled. Pulled it up. Yoink. Go up. Pull the rod out. Survived. Mission 1 complete. Now to become completely built different, I decided to swim to the meg. No. And yeah, I successfully swam to the meg. As you can see, there's my jet ski is not here. But anyway, somebody else caught the meg. But still, I was pretty bit different there. I swam to the meg. So yeah, well, what I got, look at him, he's so long. I got my long pike, shiny and big. You can hit someone with this. Hi. Early attack, kill him. Look at my rod dies. Sorry, just joking. We can push people off the dock. I died. Guys, save me. I want him sparkling, by the way. I will get him sparkling too. I will probably get him giant sparkling, but this is really cool. So I'll go back to gambling, but this is the biggest one I've got by far. Anyways, guys, update, I got a shiny big treble bass. The music is same, but now it seems like I'm playing a fancy keyboard. You know those fancy pianos? I'm playing one of those. This boy is cool. And we have got this, which I just realized with shift lock you can just I use my nunchucks. Now we can actually do the falling off thing correctly. Sir, look behind. Fall off. Hit him. Hit him. Oh my god. Yeah, this is fun. It may not make noise like the peanut butter jelly cheese, peanut butter jelly banana. By the way, that's the rarest secret. This is the second or the least rarest or the second best. I personally think it's the second best because you just can eat. Let me chuck you off of the die. Use it as a weapon. Hiya. He didn't die, but anyways. So yeah, that was what I was trying to update you guys on. Once again, let's not play the weird music thingy. So now what I will do, as I show you, I've gotten a whole bunch of deep sea coral. And I will get more. Yuppie. I think I'll get like 100 more geodes. It should be good enough to get us, I think, about 20 more. And now why I need this is with the rod of where is it? The depth rod with clever, but it doesn't have resilience that much. You can use coral if you're good, but I'm bad, so I need the deep sea coral. You know what? I want to help this guy. Let's give him some. He's level 3. I cannot help him that much, but you know what? We will help him. We cannot help him right now, but whatever. So yeah, guys, that was it for this video. We got the long pike. And by the way, I am really sad because I just checked for my shiny pufferfish, and because it is, I think I accidentally unfavorited it. I'll show you. Suppose this is favorited and I accidentally may have clicked like that and unfavorited it. So I accidentally sold it, and I am still feeling so horrible about that. Yeah, it's a bad moment for me, but I will get it back. We will get a giant sparkling shiny pufferfish. We will redeem ourselves no matter what the cost, and I will get a sparkling on this thing, as I said. The next rod, either it is the Atlantis update or no life, because I don't know what else rod I should get except for one, the Voyager's rod, which I may get again, maybe, but I'll probably be filming Atlantis as the next video. So yeah, see you guys in that, which is going to be tomorrow. Yeah, where the hell is my jet ski? I think here. I will show you how much time is left for that. I'm grinding all the algae. Let me show you. I've gotten 2 of them. Oh, one of them is heaven. Whatever. I got 2 of them, and I want all of them because these are exclusive and hard. A bit hard to get. I've already gotten the fireworked whale that I wanted, fireworked eternal frost whale. Let me show you. And yeah, where is it? There. As you can see, 5 of eternal frost whale. I got a big fiery this. I got a fiery sea pickle, which yeah. Oh yeah, I had a fiery mosasaurus. Look at him, he's big. I can still catch fiery fish, but yeah. And yeah, this is better. I have a fiery moonfish, which is best with the effect. Yeah. Okay, 1 second. Boom, do you have the new secret? Boom, 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 brother. Get boomed. Look at my big fish. A long fish. And I have this. Oh, he's low level. Let me help with something. Let's give him a sea pickle. Sir, would you like a sea pickle? I've offered him a sea pickle. He liked it. Okay, whatever. So yes, anyways, this is our prized possession now. Look at it, it's so big. It's my big Antus. And we got this too, which is pretty cool. So guys, meet you in the next video, aka tomorrow, for Atlantis. And I will just give you head tips for that. There's random levers. Watch, just search up Atlantis update secret levels. You will see them. And yeah, get save your hangman's hook and the kraken. Put in a code. I think it may be gone, but it is Atlantean Storm. You know the Storm updates name itself. Put in that to get 2 more hangman's hook, to get 10 of both. Stock up on general bait like coral, seaweed and all that. Get yourself a good meal or some snacks, just so you can chilly play while eating them, and get yourself something like this. And guys, with this I am out. See you guys in the next video. AK Void going